Okay, in this video, you're going to learn how to convert a number from decimal notation to scientific notation. When converting from decimal notation to scientific notation, you will be shifting your decimal to the right side until there's only one non-zero digit to the left of the decimal. Here's our given example. Before you even do anything, you have to know how many Sig Figs does your given number has. This number has three significant figures. The reason is because leading zeros do not count as significant figures even if there's a decimal present. The only digits that count as significant figures are the following: this one, and this one. Therefore, this number has three significant figures. Reminder that when you move your decimal to the left side, you're going to have a positive exponent. When you move your decimal to the right side, you're going to have a negative exponent. So let's go ahead and move the decimal according to our rule. We're going to be moving our decimal to the right side until there's only one non-zero digit to the left of the decimal. A non-zero digit is going to be any whole number from 1 through 9. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I know I can stop here because if I was to put a decimal here to the left side of the decimal, there's only one non-zero digit, which happens to be the digit 3. So for my answer, I'm going to have 3.33 times 10 to the negative 7 power. Remember what it told us here in this rule. If we move our decimal to the right, we're going to have a negative exponent. So that's where we're getting the negative sign from. And then the 7 comes from moving our decimal 7 times to the right side. Okay, here's some practice problems to work with. Okay, so we're going to move our decimal to the right side until there's only one non-zero digit to the left side of the decimal. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the left side of the decimal, there's only one non-zero digit, which in this example is the digit 1. So we're going to have for an answer 1.5 times 10 to the negative 4. And remember, when we're moving to the right side, we're going to have a negative exponent. And we moved a total of 4 times. That's why we have the digit 4. Over here, we have 0.25784. We're going to move it one time only. And if we put a decimal here to the left side of the decimal, we have a non-zero digit number, which is the digit 2. So for our answer, we're going to have 2.5784 times 10 to the negative 1 power. And then for this one here, we're going to have for an answer 5.2 times 10 to the negative 6 power. More practice problems. Notice that this number is good to 4 Sig Figs, and our final answer is also good to 4 Sig Figs. So therefore, our answer is going to be 7.279 times 10 to the negative 5th power. This one is good to 2 Sig Figs. Our final answer is also good to 2 Sig Figs. And our answer is going to be 1.3 times 10 to the negative 2 power.